Ex-Oxford University student charged with murder after cult stabbing. Published by Oxford Mail. A former Oxford University student has been charged with murder following a stabbing which has been linked to a string of cult killings. Maximilian Snyder enrolled on a computer science course at the prestigious institution in 2021 and described himself as a passionate scholar and creator. According to his LinkedIn profile, in 2023 he won $11,000 in an artificial intelligence research competition as his career advanced. Yet the 22-year-old has now been charged with the murder of an elderly landlord in a case which has been linked to a cult-like gang named Zizians. Read more. Arrested Oxford man named after knife blade, police chase. Curtis Lind from Vallejo in California was due to testify in a case regarding a different attack related to his Zizian tenants when he was stabbed to death this year, says the Seattle Times. The 82-year-old was killed outside his property around 2:18 p.m. on Friday, January 17 near Lemon and 3rd Streets in Vallejo. U.S. authorities have said that the incident was one of 6 killings across the country that are linked to the cult-like gang of militant vegans and anarchists. This also includes the fatal shooting of Border Patrol agent David Malland in Vermont as well as an elderly couple at their home in Pennsylvania. Federal authorities charged Teresa Youngblood in January in connection with the shooting of Mr. Malland, which occurred on Monday, January 20. Read more. Missing 14-year-old schoolchild found after frantic police search. The 21-year-old attended Seattle private school, Lakeside School, at the same time as Snyder, according to Open Vallejo, another local news outlet. Public records show that the pair applied for a marriage license back in November last year in Washington. Mr. Lind was scheduled to testify this April, the sole eyewitness in the trial, against a group of tenants who allegedly stabbed him in November 2022. This incident occurred just 2 days before the group were set to be evicted from the property for failing to pay rent, according to court records. These records allege that Mr. Lind was asked to help with a water leak on the morning of November 13, 2022, by tenant Suri Dow. When the landlord arrived, he was allegedly attacked with knives by Dow and another tenant, Emma Boronian, and stabbed repeatedly. Prosecutors allege that Mr. Lind was then impaled through his chest with a sword by another tenant by the name of Alexander Leatham. The elderly landlord shot at his alleged attackers, injuring Leatham and killing Boronian. Court records suggest that Leatham and Dow have been charged with the murder of Boronian as well as the attempted murder of Mr. Lind. This is in addition to an aggravated mayhem charge. In his first appearance at the Solano County Criminal Court in Fairfield, California, Snyder was pictured wearing a striped jail uniform and shackles. He sat alongside his lawyer, Connor Trombetta, a Napa-based criminal defense attorney.